Welcome back to our channel, Wisdom and Royalty. Life can get rough. Some days you just don't know where your next dollar is coming from once you've paid out all your bills. For those of you who know us, know that we've been on a nomadic spree for the past few months. We just wanted to share some knowledge for those of you who are looking for ways to earn petty cash on the side like we've been. A lot of times I find myself exhausted trying to find legit ways to earn cash online, but there are so many videos of so many people making thousands per month. I found it, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the perfect survey site for beginners. There are a ton of ways to earn, and we're going to share our top 10 ways we utilize Swagbucks to earn money. Stay with us until the end of the video for a bonus. Number 1, surveys. I like to fill out the surveys under 15 minutes for 50 Swagbucks to about 100 Swagbucks. They don't seem as time consuming as the longer ones. I usually skip the ones that don't give immediate results. It'll tell you. I'm just more satisfied when I see my points roll in upon completion, but to each his own. I go for about 10 to 15 surveys a day, and most surveys are about 5 to 30 minutes, and they pay between 25 cents to $10. Number 2. Use the Swag button. The Swag button is a free extension you should add to your browser. I use Chrome, but I believe it works on other browsers as well. It appears as a little blue and white image icon in the upper right corner next to the search bar in Chrome. You will be automatically alerted when there are coupons and cashback deals available for pages you visit online. Just one click and boom, cashback. If you don't have it, you can even get points just by installing the Swag button. Number 3, scan receipts. We really like scanning in our receipts because we like getting our groceries on Instacart. It makes things so much easier, especially with a hectic schedule. It's simple. All you have to do is forward your Instacart receipt email to receipts@swagbucks.com. If you want to submit an in-store receipt, then take a clear picture of your receipt and upload it. You can find where to submit your receipts in the Discover section. Also, check out the items you can select from. You can earn more for your receipts. One receipt will give you 2 Swagbucks. If you have something like soda, which is worth 2 Swagbucks, then you'll end up with 4 Swagbucks in total. Number 4, play live trivia. So this is really cool. You can play 2 rounds of trivia throughout the week, live, with other Swagbuck members to earn Swagbucks. Just download the Swagbucks Live Trivia app in Google Play or iTunes. That's it. Number 5, answer the daily poll. This one's easy. Just answer the daily poll. There's a new question. Number 6, answer survey profile question. For every 10 questions you answer for your profile, you can earn 2 Swagbucks. Just head over to the Swagbucks answer page and you can find it under the surveys dashboard. Number 7, dine out. For our restaurant lovers, Swagbucks got you covered. Dine out and get cash back. It's a win-win situation. Just go to the dine deals under the shop tab and make your selection. Number 8, install free apps. Simply put again, download new apps such as loyalty apps, games, maybe shopping apps, and boom, more points. Number 9, Swagbucks search engine. Make the Swagbucks search engine your default search engine for best usage and get points in return. Number 10. Book your discount travel. Visit the travel section of the shop page and book your next trip using Swagbucks. Earn cashback rewards for booking your travel with basically no limit to the number of different travel sites, which include Booking.com, Expedia, Hilton, Marriott, Orbitz, Hotwire, Vrbo, the list goes on. You'll even find cashback airline deals. And now for the bonus. Save money on prescriptions. Yes, you've heard it clear. Prescriptions. Did you know you can even save money on prescriptions with Swagbucks? Just go to the shop section and check out prescriptions. Put in your RX name to see what coupons are available. You can also compare prices. For every prescription filled using a Swagbucks coupon, you'll earn 100 Swagbucks. Yes, you can thank us later. Of course, there are tons of other ways to earn cash on Swagbucks, but these are the ways that we use the most and have gotten the results that work the best for us. Check out the links in our description. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you tried Swagbucks and what your experience was like in the comment section below. Be sure to share, subscribe to our channel, and like our video for more.